My name is Trent. I'm the Vice President of Fleet Maintenance and BVT Operations. My role here is to make sure that we've got equipment that is safe, well maintained, and that it supports our drivers and able to do their job effectively and efficiently. The right piece of equipment makes all the difference between success or failure as an owner-operator. And the truck affects everything from fuel cost, maintenance costs, uptime, ability to go to work on a daily basis, comfort, fatigue, safety. Plays a big role in many areas. The top three things that an owner-operator should consider when choosing a truck would be is the truck the right fit for the job? Does it have the right specs? Is it going to be able to do what you need it to do for this application? Second, I would say the cost of the ownership of that truck, the fuel, the maintenance, the uptime. Third, and probably most importantly, comfort. The truck has to be comfortable for the driver. Livestock work is tough on the equipment. There is a lot of starting and stopping. There's a lot of idle time. There's a lot of off-highway use on this. So, and when you're in livestock, breakdowns matter. You need reliable equipment. Probably one of the more common mistakes I see is purchasing a truck based on price alone. You need to make sure the truck is the right fit for the work it's doing. Some of the features, proven powertrain is important. One that has a history of reliability is important to take into account. Safety features are always a good investment. Anti-lock braking, traction control, lane departure warnings, any type of safety features that come with a truck are always a good investment. In my opinion, the cosmetic features, there's definitely a challenge with being drawn towards the chrome and the bling but none of that puts money in the bank, and none of that makes the equipment any more reliable. I would recommend, if you are sourcing your first truck, don't do it alone. Talk to somebody that's got experience, that's been through it. The more experience, the more valuable their feedback and input's going to be, and help you make the right decision. We can share what we know. We'd be happy to help an owner-operator or anybody interested in purchasing a truck understand why we make the decisions we make for the specs that we choose with our equipment. So we have this pre-employment inspection as well we do on any owner-operator that wants to join our fleet. It's a very thorough inspection to make sure that this equipment is also spec'd for the right application. We're doing this to make sure that the owner-operator is going to be successful, that the equipment's properly maintained. Maintenance is extremely important in the success of an owner-operator. It helps them ensure that they're doing proper preventative maintenance, the equipment's going to be reliable, but also that it's going to be spec'd for the right application, or for this application. I'd recommend they reach out to our recruiting department. Our recruiting department knows who to contact. They'll reach out to the appropriate people that will be happy to review any specs of any equipment they're looking at purchasing, and we'll make sure that this potential purchase is a good fit for our application, and we'll give them some advice as to maybe what they could do to facilitate that transaction.